Interior light not working in your Ninja Double oven? Fix it fast. A dark oven window makes it hard to check food. Here's what you can safely do before calling support. Step 1. Make sure the light is on. Press the light button on the control panel. The bulb only turns on when the oven is powered, and it shuts off automatically after a short period. Step 2. Confirm the oven has power. If the whole control panel is dark, check the wall outlet and circuit first. If other functions work normally but the light never turns on, continue with the next step. Step 3. Clean the lens. Grease or splatter on the lens can make the bulb look dim or dead. Wipe the cover with a soft microfiber cloth. I've linked the one I use in the description. It's lint-free, non-abrasive, and safe for glass. Step 4. Know the limits. The light inside the Ninja Double oven is not designed for user replacement. If it still doesn't come on after cleaning and confirming power, Ninja directs you to contact support for service. If your oven's light remains dark after these checks, contact Ninja support using the link in the description before trying again. If this helped you keep your light bright and your oven easy to check, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if you need a microfiber cloth for safe wipe downs, I've linked the one I use below. Lint-free, non-abrasive, and perfect for cleaning the light lens and control panel. Thanks for watching, and keep it shining!